Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nabbago from Shelter of Sursur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one on the right side. And color both of these in black. Now on top of the eyes, let's draw a curve across in the middle. And now top down and at the mouth. Let's start with a curve. Then let's bring it down and in on both sides. And a curve across at the bottom. And color the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve across on top in the center. And then on the right, let's bring it up and back down next to the eye. And then on the top left, we're going to add the hat. Let's start with an angle going down. And then bring it up, meeting at a point. And add some curved stripes inside. And now at the top of the hat, let's draw 3 small curves going out. Now top down under the hat and let's finish drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve down and out, and then also curve it out on the right side. And then curve it back in underneath. Now let's add another small curve going out, and then curve it back down and in underneath the mouth, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's add 2 small curves down for the neck. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath each side of the neck, let's start by bringing it down and out. And then let's hop in and let's draw 2 long lines down for the sides of the torso. And then from the top, a wavy line out on both sides for the inside of the arms. And then a curve down and in from the outside. Now underneath on the left, let's draw 2 curves going down for the hand and a zigzag line at the bottom. Now let's hop over, and for the right hand, let's draw 2 curves down and then a longer curve across the bottom. And then bring it down, meeting at a point. Now let's hop inside and let's add some curved stripes. And then 3 small curves coming out at the end. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. From the sides of the body, let's bring it down by curving it out slightly. and then 2 curves on the inside. underneath each of the lines, let's curve it out and back in. And then a small angle from the inside going down. Then we'll top out and another curve going out for the top of the feet. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the shape of the body. Lastly, let's hop inside and let's draw the curved line down the center. Let's start inside at the top of the head and let's draw a wavy line down. And then continue it all the way down under the mouth, like this. And now let's thicken this line up slightly. And that's it for Nabbago. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!